I thought I'd take you on a day in the life, work day with me, and I'm here with a sociologist.
Hello.
All right, let's get to it. Hey, so I just got to my office and I'm going to give you a quick tour of what the office looks like. Today I have a pretty big schedule. I've got a couple clients and afterwards I was planning on filming a couple of videos in the office space here. But yeah, let me just give you a quick tour of what the space looks like. This is just an overview of my office. It's a really nice, cozy place, and it is shared with other really wonderful counselors. Over here is the couch where my clients like to sit on, and over here is where I sit with all these plants. These plants are actually real, and I like to call this corner my little jungle, because I'm just surrounded by plants. Very stereotypical of counselors. Yeah, more plants, a little desk over here just for us to complete our notes, do a little bit of reading between sessions. And by reading, I mean reading the DSM-5, super important. And just the bookshelf, just some extra resources for us. A lot of like cute little knickknacks just to make it super cozy in here. And we also have this corner here, which is our tea corner and beverages. We have cups and we can boil the water. And there's quite a few selection of types of tea. My favorite is the lemon ginger. So yeah, it's kind of nice that we do offer that for clients just to make it a little bit more comfortable and homey. I like to get here at least 30 minutes earlier just so I could get settled in and I can make myself a cup of tea and also review some session notes for my clients that I'm seeing today. So that's what I'm going to do right now, is I'm going to make myself some tea. Okay, so I just finished my sessions with my clients and I'm just going to grab something to eat right now. And when I get back, I'm going to get started on the session notes because those take a long time to get filled out. Once I'm done with the notes, I'm actually going to be filming 2 videos for the upcoming weeks. Both of them are going to be analysis videos from the Netflix series You, because season 3 is coming out and I'm super excited for that. So I'm going to be working on a character analysis video for Joe Goldberg and also relationship analysis with him and all of his relationships that we've seen so far in the first 3 seasons. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a little bit different from what I usually film. And make sure to subscribe to support this channel. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Until then, be kind and love yourself.